Hey everybody, let's talk about how to set up Binance account on new phone. So to set up Binance account on new phone, head to your Google Play Store or App Store and then find Binance and then download it to your device. Once you've downloaded it, open the app and then tap register. Now input your email and your password. Once you input your email or password, you can also sign in using your registered phone number, Google, or Apple ID. Now, once you do that, if you set up a passkey on your previous device, you can use your new phone's Face ID or lock screen code to log in instantly. Now, for security, Binance will prompt you to verify your login. This usually requires an SMS code sent to your phone or an email verification code. If you use an authenticator app, make sure that you have transferred the authenticator to your new phone first, or copy the 6-digit code from your old authenticator app to authorize the login. Once logged in, the app will typically ask if you want to enable Face ID or fingerprint login for quicker, secure access in the future. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.